Hey everyone, are you working with a team on research? Lumio AI makes collaboration smooth and efficient. And here's how you can collaborate with others step by step. First, go to your browser and search for Lumio AI, and then here click the official page. And sign in or create a new account if you haven't already. Then here in the dashboard, click New Project and set up the workspace for your research topic. Inside your project, look for invite or share option if it's available. And here you can also click collection, enter your teammates' email so they can join the project. And here you can assign roles and tasks. You can split the work. One member can collect sources, another can summarize with AI, or someone else can interview. Then here everyone can add prompts, generate summaries, and upload the sources directly into your shared workspace. And when the project is done, you can now export the summaries, notes, or reports and share them with your group or professor. And here you need to upgrade your version. The Lumio AI needs to be upgraded. So you need to pay it to try more feature. And that's how you collaborate on research projects in Lumio AI. It's teamwork made faster, fast, organized, and powered by AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.